What is up, my YouTube friends? Hope you're doing well. Yeah, this isn't the truck. You're right. Welcome to another episode of Questions from the Truck, number 19. Today I am in the shop and I don't feel like doing it in the truck today. I wanted to do something different. So here I am in the shop. I appreciate all your questions and answers and these questions that get asked on this show. I appreciate all your contributions that you guys do. Last week I was moving some big machines on Saturday, and usually I film on Saturday or Friday, and it was just a hectic week all week, so I didn't have a chance to do any video. So I apologize for that. Let's get to the show. Indian Head Valley Railroad, Wilmer over there, he wants to know, he knows that do I have any videos of restoration work for the museums that I've done? Yes, I do, Wilmer. I think there's a whole playlist of them. I'll either put videos or playlists up in that corner. Okay. Right now I am working on two projects, but mainly one big project, a 1928 snow sweeper down in Baltimore, and that's a total restoration. Big job, and it's almost done. But yeah, I'll put some videos up there. Thanks for the question. My next question is from this dude's changed his channel name, but I'll put his link in anyway. Electric Diesel Train Railfan Production, something like that. But he's changed his channel name again. He wants to know why they run DPUs, mid-train DPUs, CSX mostly. For power distribution, it helps with better train control. Maybe that second section of engine and train cars is another train. I don't know that to be a fact. I just heard that it's better train handling. That's why. He wants to know when the new Acela is coming into service. I think it's called the Aleva Liberty, something like that. It's going to be a while. They're still testing it. You can catch it on the Northeast Corridor probably. Yeah, it's going to be a while, probably a year. And he wants to know what got me into woodworking. Started woodworking as a teenager and young kid, and I just like building stuff. And it's fun to take a stack of wood and make something out of it, whatever it is, furniture, cabinets, whatever. It's just fun, enjoyable. I love wood. Wood's beautiful. Thanks for your questions, man. Humanity Junction, Keith over there wants to know, why do some railroads run right side and some left side? I know you posted a video about it to explain it, but I still don't understand it, man. I don't know. I don't have an answer to that. Maybe somebody out there does, and they can help us both, because I don't know. Right side, left side. I don't know. Depends what you call the right side and the left side. Is the engineer side of the locomotive always the side that they operate from? I don't know. But anyway, thanks for your question. Sorry I couldn't answer it. Dave's Trains over there. Dave is building a kitchen island with, I think, his son or son-in-law. And he's looking for some recommendations. He's looking for a recommendation on a Dado stack blade set. I use Freud, Freud. I think that's how you spell it. And I use a 8-inch set, and I've had a 6-inch set. Depending on your saw, probably a small job site type saw is better with a 6-inch stack set as opposed to a big saw where you might run an 8-inch set. Either way, that's my brand recommendation. They're a good company. There's others out there. They're kind of like in middle of the road affordability. There's others out there that are a lot of money, and I don't know that you want to spend it. So that's that question. And his other question is, he's looking for a recommendation on a bench planer, and I'm guessing a thickness planer, kind of like what's right there, right? That is a DeWalt DW35. It's kind of like on the expensive side of portable benchtop planers. It's probably in the neighborhood of $550 at Lowe's. Um, It'll do 13 inches width-wise, 6 inches of height. It's a good planer. It served me well for a long time, and I've run a lot of hardwood through it. It does an awesome job. Do I recommend it? Yes. But at the same time, if you're doing one project, it may not be the most cost-effective thing to do. Keep in mind this, okay? If you're buying rough lumber that is rough on both faces, okay? A planer alone is not going to get you flat, true material. You need a joiner. That's a joiner back there to make one face flat, and then you can pass it through a planer. It will only take a board, if you just use the planer and it's twisted, it will only smooth it out. It will not take out the twist. A joiner is used to take out twist. So keep that in mind if that's the avenue that you're going down. You can buy lumber that's called skip planing, where they plane both sides, but it's kind of like still rough but smooth enough and probably flat enough to just pass through the planer and get the dimension, thickness that you want. Okay. Sometimes, a small project, it's cheaper just to buy S4S, surface four-side lumber. Sometimes you can get surface two-side lumber where both faces are surfaced and you need to address the edges. That's up to you guys. I hope that helped you. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask, my friend. My next question is from Anthony Dodge, the Model Train Outsider. Anthony saw a video of a guy gluing 1x2 slats to the ceiling to mount LED lights, and he didn't see the guy use any type of fastener, nail or screw. Yeah, dude, there's no way that glue is going to stay on the ceiling without it falling down because of the weight. This is not happening, man. You need some type of fastener to hold it temporarily while the glue dries. Okay? I build tons of projects in here with no fasteners and glue only, and I show my customers all the time how strong a glue joint can be by saving scraps of cutting board and breaking them along the glue line, and the glue joint never fails. It's always the wood around it. Wood glue is stronger than the wood. Wood glue, not Elmer's glue, okay? I don't know what kind of magic that guy did, but he ain't getting glue to stick on the ceiling with nothing but glue. But it would work if you had good glue area to wood area, contact area with good glue. I hope that helped you, Anthony. My last question is Frugal Farmer Channel. Mr. Farmer over there needs to fill some holes with wood putty, and he wants to stain them. How best to match it? You need to take that piece of wood that you need to match and take it somewhere to have it matched. Keep in mind that some wood putties do not take stain very well. That's the problem with some of them. Depending on what you're doing, I know you've probably done this project already, but sometimes, if you're just trying to fill some screw holes, sometimes it's so better to just fill them with a wood dowel in that species, or if it kind of looks within what you want to do, you could use an accent wood to accent those little parts, those little fixes, to make it look something unique. There's a lot of things you can do, but just as a general rule, wood putty doesn't accept stain too well. I hope that helped you, and you can file it away for the future if you've already did it. And if you did and you had good success, let me know the brand that you use, because I'd like to know. Hey, that's it. That's the end of the show. I hope you guys all had a good week, and the week coming is a great one for you. Be blessed. Be well. I'll see you Wednesday with a reminder. We're going to get back on schedule after this. So, take care. See you. That's lame, Jerry. See ya!